Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to quickly show everyone on how to open automated subdivided drawings in other AutoCAD versions. So from our previous videos on how to subdivide irregular land into equal areas, as you can see, I automated this using Civil3D. However, I have gotten some requests from viewers and patronizers that they sent the drawing to their clients and their client could not open the drawings in the other AutoCAD versions like the normal AutoCAD 2007, 2012, 21 and the rest of those versions. So this video tends to provide a solution to that. So let's get started. So here is the automated subdivided drawings, and if I am to open the normal AutoCAD, I have AutoCAD 2021 here. I'm going to open it for us to see the challenge. Alright, it's loaded up, so I'm just going to quickly, for you to open this drawing in other AutoCAD formats, you make sure you close the drawing in the current AutoCAD. So you need to close that, else it will not open. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to where the CAD file is on my folder. So I have it here. I'm going to right click, open with AutoCAD DWG launcher. So this is the normal AutoCAD. So guys, if you open it directly with the normal AutoCAD, maybe 2007 or other versions of AutoCAD different from AutoCAD Civil3D 2018 and above, this is likely what you are going to be seeing. Therefore, if you send it to your client directly in Civil3D versions format, this is what your client will be seeing if they open it with the normal AutoCAD. So let's quickly solve that challenge right now. So you go back to your AutoCAD Civil3D, make sure you are on your Civil3D work environment, then you can open the drawing. So this is the drawing, the automated subdivided irregular land into equal area drawing I'm having here. So the next thing to do is to come to your command line, then you type explode. So this is the explode options here. You click on it. When you click on it, it will give you the advantage to select objects. So all you have to do is to highlight the whole of the drawing that has been subdivided automatically. You highlight it. When you highlight it, you click on enter. So automatically it is going to explode the drawing, and you can see it directly from the AutoCAD work environment. It's going to become editable. Alright, the text is going to be editable as well as the area. So you can see each lot, each subdivided lot is in polygon format. Alright, if I click on the next lot now, you'll see it is in polygon format. So that is what you have to do. You explode the drawing. When you explode the drawing, you Ctrl S to save. Therefore, when you Ctrl X, it is going to save. It may change the color of the boundary line and it may not change the color. That does not really matter. However, you will see that each section of the property, for property 4, you can see the polygon for that. So that is the subdivided lot for this property 4. I will press on escape on my keyboard to escape the command. Then I will click on the next property. So property 1, you can see the polygon. That shows that each property has its polygonized area. So you can see, and that is it. So after you explode, you Ctrl S to save. The next thing to do is to reduce the version of this drawing to 2007 DWG. So how to do that? You come to the drawing icon here, you click on that, then you scroll down to save as, you click on that. Under your save as, you will see the default subdivided file format or file name. You come to files of type, you click on that. Then you scroll up to AutoCAD 2007/LT 2007 drawing DWG. You click on that. That shows that any AutoCAD versions from 2007 above can read this automated subdivided plots. Do we get that? So when you do that, you can now rename. Alright, so I have renamed, then you click on save. After you do that, make sure you close this drawing in Civil3D by clicking on this icon here. After you close, you can now come to where you have the CAD file of the 2007 version that has been saved, and here it is here. So you click on it, you right click, make sure your AutoCAD is open, version 2007 and above already. However, I'm using 2021 version here, so it does not matter. Alright, so when it is open at the background, you come to open with, then you click on AutoCAD DWG launcher. Automatically you are going to see the automated drawing. However, there are some other text that is hidden at the background, so when you zoom extent, you may be having advantage to see the text. Alright, so this is just like a default kind of text that was incorporated in Civil3D. So all you have to do is to highlight it and delete it. When you delete any unwanted text, then you can now zoom to extent, so you will have your drawing alone showing in the normal AutoCAD 2007 and above. So this is what you can now send to your clients. It's going to be readable, it's going to be editable. So guys, I believe this has solved the challenge of having unreadable automated drawing in AutoCAD normal versions. If you find this video helpful and informative, do well to share, subscribe and turn on notification on this channel for more valuable tutorial freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.